Hey everyone, right behind me is the newly District 6 of Yiwu International Trade Market. It's not just a hub, it's a goldmine and accelerator for the cross-border commercial sellers, import and export buyers. Today, let's take you an in-depth tour to see what makes it unique and teach you how to find good products for the global market, saving you half of the search time. The newly launched District 6 has three major upgrades. Firstly, it's about comprehensiveness. District 6 is located east of District 5 with great transport links. From Yiwu Railway Station, it just takes the Global Digital Trade Center Express and you arrive directly. The total floor area of the market is about 1.25 million square meters. That's like over 150 standard soccer fields. It has already attracted more than 3,700 quality merchants. Spread across 3 floors, it brings together 8 major emerging industries, from fashion jewelers and trendy toys to beauty products and AI equipment. What's more, categories like AI devices are exclusive to District 6. You won't find them in any other districts. Simply put, almost any product line that you can think of has a dedicated zone here. Secondly, it's about innovation. This is not merely an expansion of the market areas. Rather, it represents a more digitized trade hub. Lots of shops have online live streaming halls and digital sample rooms to support one-click ordering and small batch wholesales, making them ideal of cross-border commerce sellers. Thirdly, it's about being specialized. The zoning is more professional, making sourcing more precise. District 6 is divided into 4 sections, from M1 to M4, each with 3 floors designed by precise sourcing. Factories are grouped by categories, making it easy to compare and combine orders, streamlining your entire purchase process. Following are the services that we can provide to improve your procurement efficiency. Step 1. Precision route planning. Precise route planning is crucial. For instance, we will directly lead our customers who are looking for accessories to the dedicated areas on the first floor by passing relevant sections to efficiently pinpoint their targets. Step 2. Sample management. We have built a well-established sample management system. We will assist clients in sample collection, labeling, and filling to ensure that the source of each sample is cleanly traceable and organized. Step 3. Comprehensive comparison. This goes beyond just price and craftsmanship to include mix order requirements, customization lead times, and even value-added services like directly DHL logistics and custom declaration assistance. Ultimately, you will receive a detailed export comprehensive evaluation sheet at factors in logistics and certification costs, enabling a well-informed and hassle-free decisions. New market brings new opportunities and trends. Our Yiwu-based team explored the District 6 and other major markets daily. We'll provide a full-service package ranging from the market product selections, on-site inspections, price negotiations, quality check to logistics. You can grasp the latest updates without traveling. If you are interested in the latest updates from Yiwu District 6 and need procurement services, feel free to follow us and send a private message anytime. We are here in the bustling heart of Yiwu, waiting for you to arrive and dive into a world of global business opportunities.